morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another coding every day until I get the job. Is it on? Is it on? I think it's on. It's day 93. We're almost day 100, and by next week it's probably gonna reach day 100 because, man, I don't receive any sign of acceptance whatsoever from the ones I've applied. So what I want to do today is applying the dark mode, and yeah, let's give it a try. I already asked Claude on how I could implement that, of course, because it turns out that I need to add and change. So since I used the chassis and right, they already have like the dark theme already implemented. I just need to create some toggle, some button, some things like that to allow for this dark mode. But also using a package called next theme to create like a theme provider, and then I could probably create different colors, different themes for that. Well, right? I hope so. But I guess we should give it a try. So I need to install the next theme. We can do that. Is it with us? Oh, I forgot to create a branch. God damn it. Okay. Let's create a branch first. Shit. Okay. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. I forgot. I should create it right now. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. Let's just do main, and then for the next fix, my bad. I forgot. Should create a branch first. But that's very. I hope the voice or the volume isn't too low because I rewatched some of the previous stream. Package to JSON should change. Why do you really have that? Okay. Okay, that's not good. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so I think I need to create a theme provider, wrap the layout, and then create a button to change the state or change the class of it. Okay. So first thing I need to do is create a theme provider. I think we can put it in lib with the other provider. So theme dash provide the provider. It's with us or no? Theme provider.tsx. Hello. Royal Human and Vic, welcome to another coding every day. This is getting desperate, guys. This is getting sad, actually. Let's see. Let's go content. Let's put the description so that I could have some spikes of visitor to Omwerk site. Dark mode, yes. I'd like to implement dark mode because people said it's too bright. And I'm also curious, and it turns out that because using the chassis and Tailwind v4, there's already like a dark class inside the global.css, so I hope we can just use that. Yeah, representing provider around your child. Yeah, this is at least what I'd like to do right now. I'll just copy paste this, to be honest, but I'll copy paste some, but I think I need to. Does it mean it doesn't have? Oh shit, yeah, I forgot. Sorry. Sorry, I was out yesterday. Um, okay. Why is it not? Uh, I mean, like, not my personal. I do have an account, but I don't have a proper Discord channel. If that was what you meant. Okay, whatever. Why is it not okay? Okay, that works. Ah, the invite is inspired. That's okay. I'll probably need to. Okay, I'll probably change the link for this. It's not my server. It's PC's, aka Gorilla Human. This is one of the. Okay. Why is it? Hmm. Okay, it's odd. Let's see. Let's see if this still works. It's only wrap a record in that. Sure. Well, okay. Where can I grab it? Wait, I need to open Discord. Wait. The thing is, I don't want to open Discord yet. It's gonna use a lot of memory again. Okay, wait. I kind of forgot my ID. What's my ID? Or what's the... Okay, let me check. I forgot. My username. Suppress hydration warning. Okay, we need to add that. So I just need to change this, right? Okay. Okay, thank you. I'll check it out. Okay, so we need to use effect. Oh, this is this to keep the state so that when we refresh, we don't need to what do you call it? Like it will keep the state, right? Or something. Thank you, Vic. Nice. Okay, cool. Okay, what's the next step? Hmm, oops. Okay. So okay, I'll change it. Next, let's do the theme toggle first. We need to create a theme toggle to add that. So skip that. I think I have the drop down menu. Okay, I do. And then the drop down menu. Regular? Yeah. Style. Button component from UI button. Let's do goes. Let's do outline. Let's do outline. Size is. I don't know if there's another icon from Lucy that is I don't know. I want to use a different one, not just sun. If there's any other than the sun and the moon. Oh, you sent it. Oh my god! Thank you so much. Okay, I'll just use yours. Oh, yours. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use yours, but I think I'm gonna modify it a little bit. Oh, but I want to add some drop down as well. So, how can I? Okay, I want to try this version first, and then I'll try yours, if that's okay. Thank you. Okay, wait, yeah, let me try to make this one first that I get, and then I could change it. Is there any other? Do they have for like white? Ho ho ho. Okay, I think what would be like a cool light? Light means power. So I think I could use the battery for the power where it's like light. Because, you know, okay. I'm gonna try to battery charging. Yes, okay, cool. Is battery charging for the light mode? Class name is size 2M, rotate 0, scale 100, transition all, dot. This is from cool. Now we have the battery off. If it's like just battery, okay. If it's just dot, it's just gonna be battery. I know it's a bit weird, but is it gonna be the same class? It's actually gonna be rotate 90. Yeah, rotate 90, scale 0, because it's the reverse. Yeah. Span. Saroni? What is a Saroni? I have no idea what class this is. Oh, okay. This is new. What is the button? Not importing. Oh, god damn, what did I do, man? I don't remember. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna need to make some tea. Yeah, I think the mic changed. What do you... Is it better or worse? Now the power will get confusing. Ah, okay. Learning for 1 month. Learning show says this is stream. Ah, okay. Is it... It's bad. Okay, why is it bad? Okay, wait. Let me check. How about right now? Wait. Check. 1, 2, 3. Check. Is it... It has to be... Is it... Okay, is it better now? Wait. What about right now? Is it better? Yes, I think this is using the chassis and dropdown, but the battery... I think the lightning strike is better. Okay, yeah, I think I choose the wrong microphone. Sorry. I think the lightning strike is better. True. Uh, lightning strike is oh, it's zap. So let's just use zap for this one. Oops. Yeah, let's just use zap. And then for this one is zap strike through. What is the... Sorry. Oh, it's zap off. Okay. Is it the other and the other? It's gonna be zap off. There we go. Nice. Okay, this is okay. I think I chose the wrong mic. God damn it. Okay, it's gonna be an issue. Okay, now it's much better, right? Okay, cool. Oh wait, we need to use theme hook. Yeah. Need to import this from. Check, check. Okay. Cool. Now, we need to add it to the navbar. How does umami even work? Do you have integrated in the code? I just for right now, I haven't really tracked anything. I only track like the page views and traffic because I feel like if I track movement, if I track like button, if I track something like that, I need to create like a cookie banner. I I should probably still do it because I don't want to get sued. I should probably write a terms of condition and privacy policy page. So I'm still researching on that because legal stuff, right? I don't want to get sued or I don't know. But as of right now, I only put like a JavaScript tag to kind of count or just detect the visits and movement. I haven't really implemented like the button tracking or like the other type of tracking where I should implement the code, like the umami, like other additional attributes to the components to enable that type of analytics. Maybe later. As of right now, I only implement like simple page views, visits, and things like that. I need to add a script into the layout, like a script type. Yeah, I think for now it's just like to see the views and just like how much traffic is going into the website because I am still reading a lot regarding like security, privacy, everything things like that because I'm in the EU right now and I don't really want to get screwed over some things that I don't understand. So yeah. So I guess let's import the theme. Wow, I didn't realize it could actually look this good on dark mode. Damn. I then oh damn. Okay. Oh wow. This actually looks nice. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. This button is a bit okay. Wait, I think I forgot some classes. Wait, yeah. Let me change the theme toggle button. I think I forgot to add some classes to the theme toggle. 1 second. Yeah, I think I forgot to add some class to the theme toggle. On very dark mode, yes. Wait, ugh, which class did I forget to add? Um, icon. You could just have it to be so it just toggles. Why is it doing that? Yeah, I think I mixed up some of the. Let's check the pages. I like the bluish, darker gray. Actually, it looks pretty nice. It looks really nice, actually. Okay, I actually kind of like this color more. Damn. Okay. Um, let's check the about page. How about you could yoink my code and just put the zap and zap strike? Okay. Yeah. I think the I don't need the drop down. I think just the button would be nice. Oh my god, this actually looks very nice. Okay, let's check the submit page. You can change the dark mode in the global CSS under. Okay, roger that. I really like this actually. This looks really nice. I just need to change a little bit about the. Oh, okay. I need to change the logo to make it white during dark mode. So I need to change that. And let's see the filtering. Hmm. I need to change this. Okay, wait. Yeah. Let me implement dark mode. So I think I need to change logo. Change logo. No, change logo. No resource because I use. Oh, that's gonna be a mess. So I need to think about that too. And if I go to the not found, it also have some background issues. So I think I'm gonna need to. Oh, okay. The not found doesn't apply to dark mode. So okay. And then I think I wanna check. Am I admin or am I test? I am test. And if I go to admin, I think the page for the it's oh yeah, I also need to change that. Okay. Yeah, the unauthorized also needs to be dark mode. Do I have another page? Okay, let's go home. As of right now, only this part and section needs that. Hello, hello, hello. Ah, okay. Okay. I think, yeah, I think this is, yeah, I think it's fixed now. As API makes life so much easier. I'm never going back to Node. I really miss writing Python, to be honest. Oh shit, I think I accidentally okay. Okay, so we don't need the drop down anymore, right? If we want it to be a button. I just need these and let's redo it. Just a button with so we could just have click here. Would this work? Um, TRPC is missing node. Like imagine needing to have to make docs and it's all Python. So all libraries are available whenever and once if you want to do. I've used Flask and Django before, and to be honest, I kind of miss using Python. I would probably check Fast API out in the future, hopefully, but and I believe they added the type system, right? Like Pydantic. So it's like strictly type, right? or Fast API. Yeah, I'm definitely much more familiar with the syntax with Flask and Django. Could we see? Or nice. That sounds amazing. When can we see it? It's like Flask on crack. How about like the front end side? Is it just mostly for uh or is it does it use Jinja as the template thing, or it can use anything just because this is more like the API side? Pedantic, yeah. Ah, okay, so it uses Jinja as well for yeah. Jinja is quite nice actually. Like it's not that complicated. At least when I use it, I don't know if there's like an advanced way to make it complicated. But it was nice when I tried it, at least. Ooh, what's the AI agent, Mr. Urki? Then what will the AI agent do? What if it has a transition on check? What will that do? Oh, why is it not changing this part? Oh, that's weird. Okay. So I think I need to check the admin panel as well to see. Um, okay, this is terrible. Okay. Okay, this looks not that bad. Yeah, I think one of the colors changed differently, so we need to adapt that part. Um, Good luck, good luck. Yeah, I think I need to change the color. Some colors are not showing that very well, so wait. What is the wait, I forgot. This is only for the testing one, but I still forgot what's how am I forgot the database or the password for the testing. sorry, I want to test the local, but I forgot the password. What? For some reason the password isn't working, so why is that? Um, okay. I watched a video where you can customize the logo, so it will be, yeah, a dark mode version of the logo. So this is what I want to do for all the other images. Oh, sorry. Oh. So dark brightness 0 and dark infrared. Okay, let's add that to the navbar and to the logo. Yeah, homework logo. I think this is one, right? Do we add the class in the image? Yeah. I think that should do it. That's the correct one, right? Oops. We loaded it. Doesn't. What did I do wrong? Why is it not working? That's why I always use the same. Yeah, I use the same password, but for some reason it won't log in. And now the doesn't work. The brightness class. Why is it not work? Is this an April Fool's? Why is it not working? Okay. True. Okay, because it's not an image. Okay. Okay. I'd like to implement the dark brightness. Oh, okay. I never really. Okay, how do you do that? How do you make an SVG.jsx component? So I could just use this. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. I don't want to use a different logo. Okay. Okay, let's give that a try. But do I okay. Inside the SVG, what do I do? Oh, wait. I just need to copy paste this, no? Copy paste this. Oh, okay. Or what can I do? Make it something like this, maybe? Let's try to open them. Wait. Nope, not here. It's at home. This and then this and then that. And then if we could go to public and then on there. There is no option to, oh, it is a notepad. Oh, there we go. Okay, I found it. Thank you. Ah, okay, I found it. Nice. Okay, let's make a logo component. Do I need to make props for this as well? Because that means I need to change the other one as well, right? Okay, here is the SVG. Okay. You may need to change some of the props of the component. So make something similar to like this, I would assume. Enable background, etc. Okay. Or maybe, okay, wait, yeah, let me try this part. Is it like this? Cons, Safari icon. Would this work? Holy, this is long. Okay. Oh, okay. TypeScript? Is this valid using this? Yes, that will work. Okay, let's copy that. Because I think this is much simpler, right? Compared to this one. Although if I'm not mistaken, we don't need this. I would use that anyway, okay. Hello, Darksider. Props name change. Okay, roger that. Okay, so I think I need to add this class name here, like as the props, create interface, and then create this. If that makes sense. This is optional. This is also optional, right? If you pass the props into the SVG as a deconstruction, then you can add width, height, and class name to your usage. Okay, so it's similar to this one, right? So for width, instead of just 100%, it could be dynamic as... Oh wait, yeah, we need to destructure this first, sorry. How much is the one I'm using in the Navbar? 64, okay. 64 is the default, so let's just do width. Oh, okay. So I don't need to create the props. Okay. How would I restructure the width and XYZ? Do I need to make this okay. But to make it adjustable, I still need to pass in the props, no? Uh, okay. Roger that. Okay. So I would need okay. I would need width, height. Do I need to put the rest or just height width and height plus name? Ah, okay. Roger that. Okay. What is X and Y then? Height, width. Does this work? Does this work? And then I think I need to change the navbar. Couldn't really see it, but looks nice. Oh, this looks nice. Let me might be brothers from another mother. Why is that? Best stressed. Or the changing the color? Yes, 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 I did. I passed it. Yes. So sorry. Huh. Okay. Let me try to ask Claude. Okay, wait. Logo, and then we can add the navbar as well. Okay. I created a logo component for the I created logo create component. How could I style it for the dark mode to be white? Fill color or text color. Okay. I have a suggestion for user initials in here, right? When you signed in, I think. What can I do to make it simpler? Inside the navbar, right? Ah, okay. I think okay. For the logo, we can use this current color. Okay. But both paths have a maybe this would work. Okay, still not working. I would suggest not having SVG path in the VDOM when you're actually doing anything with them. Okay. So I think the easiest thing is just to have a different colored SVG. Huh, okay. Okay, I think that's like the easiest way to do it. Uh I think that's just the easiest way to do it. Just have a I think I'm just gonna create two SVG, one for dark, one for this. One for dark, one for light. It's fine. Uh, Never mind. Photo B doesn't work. Let's go to photo key. I'll just create a dark mode version of it. It's fine. I think that would be easier. Yeah, I just need to invert them. Um, all of them and filter, and I'll go to filter gallery layer in the sun editable. Why is it not editable here? Okay, it's SVG, but it doesn't look that good. I just realized. I think I need to. Huh, okay. They are not that good, as I just realized. I mean, that's one brute force way to do it, right? Just have different images for it. Raster editor, yeah. Logo is fine. Okay. Um. Okay. Let me just add it there, I guess. Let's yeah, onward dark. Let's check the let's close everything so it wouldn't be cluttered. Close this. I'm a bit confused. My head are all over the place. This isn't just trying to implement a simple feature, dark mode. It took me this long. Damn. Okay. I think it's not gonna be as good. Why is it different size? Yeah. Will that be a problem? There are different sizes. Why is it so small? Okay. Wait. 165, 150. This one is 100, 100. Okay, I'm gonna need to change that. Wait. Yeah. Is this better? No. Okay. I don't know what just happened. Yeah, sorry. This is the reason why you should invert lol. Okay. The idea is that to have a logo invert its colors on theme change. I was making a more generalized comment about SPGs in React. For logo, it's fine. Okay. Because there's little nuances. Okay. I don't know why the current color doesn't work. Did I forget to add something else? Uh, okay. Can you inspect the logo when you change it? Okay. I haven't. Okay. I'm so confused. This is supposed to be a simple feature, right? It's not supposed to be that complicated. Wait, wait, what? Why is it working on? You know what? I'm stupid, guys. I'm sorry. God damn it. Okay. Here. Of course it doesn't work. I only take. Of course it doesn't work. See, it works. I just forget. Oh. Ah, what the fuck? Man, come on, man. Okay, let's just finish this, okay? The real rite of passage is when you take down production. Or the production database. Yeah. I I am so confused, man. How long have I been live? 1.5 hours. It's not even that long. I'm already this concerning. Okay. Let's see the other parts of the project. I think I need to change the unauthorized as well as the not found because they also not really not really not really properly set yet. But for the other, I think it looks good. Okay, let's check. That's the like button. Let's sign in. Shit, I forgot. Okay, so the password button. Okay. I need to change this as well to white. I need to change this to white. Yeah, okay, wait. So, Replit is not an official dev. Yes. For around 93 days now. The app is currently live, but it's in omverk.xyz if you want to check it out. But this is yeah, I want to update this. Ah, okay, this color state is wrong. I want it to keep being white. Okay, so this needs to change as well. Okay, I'm gonna write it down. Is it this Replit, right? I've used Replit before. Yeah, this one, right? Oh shit. Damn, what happened? Okay. GitLab? When it saw empty database queries during the code phase, Replit then destroyed all production data with left record of 1,000 executive and companies acknowledge it. Did so against instruction. This catastrophic failure on my part. Speaking like a true engineer. AI is not taking my job. Okay, so we added the theme provider. So change logo is one. Now the no resources one that I want to adjust as well. Like, okay. feel like I have to keep pushing it in the right direction to get the result I want. Does this feel like a... How would I say it? I don't know actually. Does it work if I do... well, did the dark... Next primary foreground is dark. I needed something lighter for the dark. That's primary, I guess? Will that work? Ah, okay. Ooh, okay. I think I know what it's supposed to be like text. Blue, I think, would be nice. Couldn't really see it. Okay. Would that work? Okay, I think this is much better, right? Yeah, okay. I think it's blue 500? Yeah, okay, similar color to this. So in dark mode, it uses this, but if it's in light mode, hopefully it's still the same dark. Okay, cool. Okay. What's the clear button like? Okay, it's fine. To print my local date and time with each response. After so many tries, it would get it as close as few minutes, but by the next reply, it's 50 minutes off. See to do, not to go off and rewrite the entire code base. It's sometimes useless and sometimes useful. So still a bit of both, I guess, like depending on how we use it. Okay, filter pills are good for now. So I can override it with just dark. Okay. I think the next one, let's do filter preselected. State, okay, unauthorized. The unauthorized is still a bit messy. It's still not colored properly, like the color theme. It's not. If I go to admin, but as a user that is not an admin, I couldn't. I should go to unauthorized, and I need to fix the unauthorized. It's great for planning and brainstorming and for complex algorithm with some hand holding. Do you have like a specific? Oh, okay. Okay, unauthorized is updated. We can go to home. The other seems to be working just fine. Okay, so the unauthorized, go to admin again and check. And I think the other one that I need to check is okay, the dashboard also still have some colors that is not adjusted. So let's fix that as well. So we can close all of these, and then I think the not found. I already. Where did I change it? Okay. Be very specific. Okay. Okay. This needs some work. It's like a not found. Okay, the dark invert worked in the WebP, but it doesn't work on the. Let's go back here. Doesn't work on the SVG, but it works on images, WebP, and everything. So okay, I know it now. Okay, let's go back. Go to home. Go here. Back to balls, and then yeah, okay, much better. Control the initial direction of how you want to approach this. Okay. Ah, okay. So it's more like, okay, I understand. Okay, okay. Wait, yeah. Let me fix it. Because this sorry page not found is handwritten, I don't really. I supposed to add like a comma, but let's do that. Let's do that. God damn it! Now I need to redo everything. My fault. My fault. I draw this sorry page. No, not draw. I wrote it down. That's why it looks terrible. I should. Sorry, comma, and then page not found. I forgot the comma. I should put a comma. Wait. That's actually good. Thank you, Evelina. This is I don't know if you can see it, but I use my iPad to write it down. So I need to write a comma and then use this image instead. So let's do that. Thank you. I That is such a minor thing that I miss. Thank you so much. Sorry, page not found. Page hangs off the edge of the text block. Ah, okay. So okay, okay. Wait, yeah. Let me try to redo it. So I think what I can do is something like this. Wait, yeah. Let me cook. No, no, it's fine. It does make sense. It's just that at the time I'm making it, I didn't really thought that much about it. But thank you. So maybe something like this would be better. Maybe something like this would be better. Let me show it. I think this is much better. Wait, like this. I don't know if you could see. Ugh. I think something like this would be better. Let's do that. Thank you for the suggestion. Okay, let's do that. Oops. Wait, sorry? Okay, wait, yeah. Let me change it a little bit. It was a web key, I think, because it's like a good. Okay. Okay, that should be working. And then what we could do is, oh shit. Okay, wait. There's one spot I missed. I think it should be good by now. Okay. Okay, I think that should be all good. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see if it still would load. Okay, maybe it's because it's cached. Let's restart the dev server. Let's go to normal page first before changing the page not found. Oh, that's actually so funny. Okay, I'm gonna do that on my next website. On my next project, I'm gonna do that. Next project, I'm doing that. That's much better. Okay, sorry, patient file. That is much better. Thank you for the suggestion. Cool. Okay, nice. What else should we add? Unauthorized is done. Okay. Not found yet applied. Not found is already applied. Let's check the node. America. Okay. Cool. Ah, okay. Okay, now the next part is the dashboard and the not found one. This guy over here. Okay. The no resource, yeah. Can oh my god, it worked. Cool. Okay, the white one is a bit creepy, but this one looks normal. I think because it's inverted, that's why it looks a bit weird. But I don't mind. And now the only thing left is the dashboard. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna ask Claude to how to do it now. Yes, this is Tailwind. I don't know. I kind of like Tailwind. Damn, I have all these typos all this time. What is this? Why did I have a flu? What the? I didn't do anything. What? Okay, wait, that was my fault. Which one is it? Is it? Do I have the link here? Yes. No, using Next.js. They have their own. They have the link component, and I don't know, from the docs it's just like, oh, for all the link, just use that. Well, I think it's because the dev server is very slow. But I hope in okay, in production it's not that slow, to be honest. Well, it's not as fast either, but it doesn't really load if it's in the original it's if in the built one. It's just because it's in the dev server. The dev server is very slow, but for the production, like the production build, the pages are is it static side, server side rendered and static? I think some of the pages are statically rendered. It doesn't really reload if I'm not mistaken. So I hope it's fast enough. I think it's because the dev server is very slow. That's why it's so slow with the dev server. But I think I believe for the build, when it's built, it's much faster. It's just that it's super slow in production. Not in local. The local host is so slow. Okay, this part. Hmm. Okay. Okay, I guess that should be all everything. I think we can. Okay, we have one more issue, but I don't really have a sponsor as of right now, so it doesn't matter. So I think we could. I think it should be good for all. I think it should be all. We can commit this change to main and build it and see if there's any error. I think I should do. Let's do. Should we do local build first? I think we should do a local build first, and let's break my RAM usage. Um, or let's do the lint first to check if there's any, because I saw there is a bit of an error, which I don't know why. Okay. You can make a GitHub action and make a PR. Okay. I'll write that down. Tomorrow, I'm gonna learn GitHub action on how to do it automatically. That's so okay. Or right, yeah, I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm hungry and I need to eat. But okay, I'll learn GitHub Action tomorrow to do the linting, to do the before the deployment, right? Because I'm using a deploy, right? But I don't really have any GitHub Action set up before that. It's just pushed to production, and I think having a much proper CI/CD with GitHub Action is much better. What? Why not just install Eslin and have it just give you live diagnostics? Because this is as of right now, I only set up like automatic deployment, and I didn't really change anything inside of the deploy. And it's just whenever I push to main, it would just build. But for this one, I forgot. I didn't create a branch to add this feature, and I just doing it on main. I forgot to create a branch. But how? What's like the proper way to do it? Okay, yeah, true. Roger that. Okay. Yeah, for this one, I forgot. I didn't create a branch. It would just push to main. I forgot. I forgot to create a branch. It's so stupid. Oh, it's not too late. Oh, I can still get. Okay. I mean, pull request to your main and check your changes, then approve it if it makes sense. Okay. So from this, even though it's already finished, I could just create a branch and then merge it. You can make cherry pick to new branch. Personally, my main branch does not deploy to okay, okay. Let's do that. Okay. In theory, okay. Well, this personally, I lived interesting and work direction of production. Would this work? Is this command correct? What should I do with the one on main? Should I just keep it uncommitted? Would that Usually I just use the this tab in. So okay, so now the base is the same, so you can freely make a branch even with these changes since there's no conflict. Okay, so I commit and PR. Is it correct? So I just need to commit this. Okay, so I can commit this, right? And I'll publish branch, correct? Okay. Does the title of a pull request matter, or could it be the same as the commit message? Yeah, that's why I forgot. I forgot to create a branch before at the start of implementing it. You definitely won't get a job if that's your code message. Yeah, I think I did. I did more than 250. This is way too much. See, 18 files. Is this normal? Oh, and we can see the code rabbit again. I hope I still have the free trial. Okay. Dark mode, okay. So at least it's something makes sense and readable. So that people wouldn't think that I'm doing some random stuff to the code, I would assume. The number of files changed usually not an indicator of anything. Line of codes would be much better, I think, right? This part. Eh, In terms of the commit, how much is like reasonable? They can also be skewed, especially in JS world. Okay. Depends on who you're working with. Okay. As little as possible to complete the objective. We're talking functionality. Small task PRs. But you have to do what it takes, and that isn't always possible. Very familiar with that. if it's UI stuff, less than 100, 500 is a video. Okay. So I don't really have to worry about. Okay. One second, guys. I need to. But usage would be like. Correct. Not really a metric to worry about. If you get your PR and see like 50k changes, maybe question it. I would point out though that if majority of the lines come from your log file, it would be okay to have a larger number of lines. Okay. The graphs code rabbit makes are funny. Okay, so SVGA element. Okay. Okay, so I need to. Okay, I think. Okay, this is actually very nice because I removed the system one, right? For a button, but I think having the button is still good. So, wow, it even is like clean component imports for state functionality. Okay, so if I want to change some things, can I? Do I need to just edit? I really love the poem. If I want to edit and implement the recommendation, where should I go? Is it this one? Will that still be in the same PR? Like, okay. So I can just change it from here, commit it again, and it will be inside of this. Okay. Okay. Okay, roger that. Okay. So duplicate comments. Let's see what's this about. It's inside the public. Okay. I have this and this that I don't need, I think. Okay. I don't understand this error. I already have the next theme installed, but I didn't really see it, so I don't. Isn't the component straight from Shatsian? Yes. Button variant outline on click, just the handle toggle. That would still work, right? Yes. Okay, cool. So should I be okay with this? Or okay, okay, wait. Oh shit. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Best Dressed Sneakerdoodle and Mr. François, for all the tips and tricks and information. I appreciate them. Thank you so much. I learned a lot. I think tomorrow I'll learn GitHub Action and set it up on this project specifically. And yeah, I think that should be all. Hello, Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much. I didn't realize that this silly journey would allow me to get so many help. I am currently So yeah, right now I'm just adding some. Okay, I already did this. I already did this. I also did this for the SVG element. I think the other one is for the resource part at line 160. Damn, okay. Okay, I think I already implemented everything. I think I'm just gonna commit it again and see if CodeRabbit was able to pull it off. Sorry if it's a bit too quiet. I'll play some music because I think I already ran out of the playlist from Panda Beats. So let's listen to it now. I hope it's not too loud. Nor too quiet. Okay. So, Wonderful, are you currently making any projects or are you currently looking for jobs? I think you're looking for jobs the same as me, but are you making any project as of right now? Ooh, I think I should get back to DSA as well, but as of right now, I just really enjoy making stuff. More enjoyable, yeah, but I do feel like I still lack a lot in terms of data structures and algorithm. So what's your study plan, or like what resources are you using to study, if I may ask? The process of interviewing involves more of showing what you know by way of talking rather than actually going through projects. One moment. Also cooking my. I'm also cooking lunch at the moment, so I'll go back and forth, okay? Because after this, I'm gonna merge it, I'm gonna build it, and hopefully it works. And after that's done, that's all for today. What a productive and informative session we have today. I work with perplexity. Oh, it helps you. Do you get the? I feel like my knowledge still not enough. You know, like okay. There is an error in the build, but I'm kind of in a pinch right now, so I think I'm just gonna end it right now. Um. Okay. Okay. I'll make sure to fix that first, and then uh, I'll continue again tomorrow. For everyone watching and staying tuned, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate everyone. Thank you for joining today's. It's quite productive and quite festive, I would say. Today, a lot of people commented, a lot of discussion, a lot of learning. So for me as well. So again, I appreciate everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Hope everyone have a great day and amazing week ahead. See you tomorrow on another coding every day until I get a job, because I'm still unemployed. So yeah, bye bye. I'll fix this off cam, and let's see how it goes tomorrow. Bye bye.